Welcome back, Daniela here, and I want to show you a new layout created with the October main kit, the Pocket Life kit, the Embellishment kit, and the color kit, since we will be working with mixed media today. So I want to show you how to create a nice mixed media background. I just cut a rectangle in a piece of cardstock that I didn't need anymore, and now I want to fix it here with some common masking tape, which I fix at both sides, so the inner frame and the outer frame, so that nothing can be messed up. And now I just want to apply the color we get in the color kit using a common makeup sponge. So we have got this pretty color mist, this spray this time, which gives us the opportunity to have shiny, shimmery color on our pages. And I like combining all the three colors that we get in the kit, because this way we have a nice and versatile background. And you see that I just add some color in different areas so that we have all the three colors spread all over all over the page. And I also want to have more yellow bits and pieces here, because the yellow or orange, golden color is really beautiful and so shiny. So I added a lot of this one, and now I also want to add some more teal. And finally, I also want to have some golden color splashes here on top, because this makes nice details in the end. And now I just can pull off my frame, and we get a nice background. So just take off the masking tape, and then I show you the result. This is what it looks like. You see the golden splashes, this is really kind of shiny. These colors are just amazing. All right, so now I want to add my picture, and I have chosen 3 cards from the Pocket Life kit. I like adding Pocket Life cards to my pages. They are a nice addition to your scrapbook kit, because you have got another size. The patterns are a bit smaller, and you can combine them easily with all the papers coming in the main kit. And also the embellishments match perfectly, so this is a nice addition. And you see, I just created a little cluster here by using different cards from the Pocket Life kit. And this is the center of my page. Now I also want to add the title. It's the word lovely taken from the foam stickers, and I am so in love with the acetate hearts, so I wanted to use lots of those here on my page, and they are so pretty. The golden accents here are shiny again, and I think they are a nice addition to the mixed media background that we have on the other side. And the colors match perfectly, so I add a lot of those here, and I want to have them like a little second cluster, so they should be overlapping here and there. And that is something that I like a lot here on my page. So now I can fix them, and I'm just working with a glue stick. It's often hard to decide what to use for those kinds of embellishments, because you can see glue pads through them. That's why I am working with a glue stick here, and I think it's an easy method to do so, and it works for me quite perfectly. Alright, so here is another paper stripe taken from the Pocket Life kit again, and now I also want to add some more details. First of all, I thought maybe I could add this pretty circle, but then I decided to have this bow instead from the 3D dimensional embellishments. And now I also want to have some more phrases, so I cut a few stripes from the Pocket Life kit again, and I want to use my stapler here to attach them to the hearts. This is something that I like doing a lot because here I have a golden accent again, and that also goes together so well with the golden frames and the shimmery golden particles we have in the color spray that I used for the mixed media background. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and now I want to have some more paper. I am going for the same colors again, so we have yellow, teal and pink, and these three colors can be found all over the page in all the details and the clusters. I have three different sizes of stripes on each cluster, and that is something that I like doing. 3 is always a good number to choose for embellishments as well as for clusters, and here for my stripes as well. Okay, so just need to fix them, and then I can add some more details, but I think it's almost finished. We have such a shiny page due to all the hearts and the shimmery color, and now I just add the date stamp, some journaling of course, and I also want to have some little details, so I am going for some puffy stickers from the embellishment kit, and we also have little dots here on the sticker sheet, so I spread some of those over the page here, especially in the heart cluster, and this is another texture which is nice to have. And then here this little heart, and that's my final touch. I add some more color splashes, and that's it. Well, I hope you liked my way of doing this mixed media layout. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask, and have fun playing with your Hip Kit Club supplies, and hope to see you soon. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.